This Jack Gaughen Network Services Hauer and Associates property video is presented by Josh Fultz. So much potential in this 1860s home. This home features 8 bedrooms, 4 full baths, 2 half baths, and an attached 1-car garage/workshop. Keep it as a single-family home for your large or growing family, or easily turn it into 3 apartments. With a little TLC, you could make this house a home or turn it into a gorgeous bed and breakfast. Call today to schedule a showing. For more information, review the details below or contact Josh Fultz at 717-436-8200.